Hi, VencoreWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Tuesday, February 17th. Snow is winding down from the latest snowfall event, and attention now turns to the next important weather event. Indeed, a powerful Arctic front will arrive late tomorrow, early tomorrow night in the I-95 corridor. It looks like it'll cause a round of snow showers, possible heavier snow squalls late tomorrow afternoon, early tomorrow night. It could produce a quick coating to 1 inch or so in the I-95 corridor, and along with that, some possible slick spots on the roadways. Then incredible cold air will follow that frontal system for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Indeed, low temperatures Thursday morning, Friday morning, and Saturday morning will be on the extreme side. Single digits very likely Thursday morning and Saturday morning, and this cold shot could possibly bottom out on Friday morning with sub-zero low temperatures up and down the I-95 corridor, perhaps in record-breaking territory on Friday morning. By late Saturday night, more snow is possible, but as the weekend progresses, temperatures will climb to levels that may allow for the possibility of precipitation other than that in the form of snow. Well, here's the very latest radar loop from the Penn State Ewald site. All of this in the form of snow, the whites and blues right here. Over with now in D.C., over with in the southeastern part of Pennsylvania, winding down now in New York City. A general 4 to 7 inch snowfall in the D.C. metro region and in the Philly metro region, perhaps a little bit less than that up across the New York City region. Certainly several inches of snow accumulated all the way down to the coast, and that is now pulling out. And the rest of today should be partly sunny, moderate cold compared to what we've experienced recently. It's still way below normal, and moderate cold on Wednesday ahead of the next Arctic front. In fact, temperatures could reach 30 or 32 degrees in many parts of the I-95 corridor on Wednesday before the arrival of the next powerful Arctic front. Well, here's the current surface map, and low pressure associated with last night's snowfall now pulling away from the northeast coastline. It was a powdery, light, fluffy type of snow given those brutally cold temperatures. In some cases it was snowing last night, and it was about 10 degrees, not all that common of a situation in the I-95 corridor. Upstream, another strong frontal system. This has upper level support, and the combination of the strong surface cold front and upper level support, I think, will generate a period of snow showers and possible heavier snow squalls late tomorrow afternoon into the early part of tomorrow night. All of this will be followed by a brutally cold air mass for Thursday, Friday, and into Saturday as well. Well, let's now focus in on this next event, this powerful Arctic front that has a lot of upper level support. And again, it could produce a period of snow showers, possible heavier snow squalls, a quick coating to 1 inch or so, all along the I-95 corridor late tomorrow into the early part of tomorrow night. This is using last night's 0Z NAM North American Mesoscale model run for tomorrow morning, Wednesday morning, and this is the 500 millibar forecast map. Just a very strong upper level low here in south central Canada, and an extension of this upper level energy all the way across the Great Lakes region. Again, this is tomorrow morning's forecast map. Let's now jump ahead 12 hours. And here's the forecast map for tomorrow evening, Wednesday evening. Notice a little bit of a negative tilt now developing in this upper level trough. We've had this situation many times this winter, and that provides a lot of upward motion in the atmosphere and a lot of upper level support. Could touch off some heavier snow showers and snow squalls late tomorrow, early tomorrow night. Let's jump ahead another 12 hours. And here's the 500 millibar forecast map for Thursday morning. Still a negatively tilted trough just sitting on top of the I-95 corridor, slowly swinging on through. Possible lingering snow shower or two even into early Thursday morning. By this time, the real cold air is pouring into the I-95 corridor. Let's now jump to the surface maps for this upcoming frontal passage. And here's the surface forecast map for tomorrow morning, Wednesday morning, using last night's 0Z NAM model run. Dry starting off the day, and again, Relative to the recent extreme cold, tomorrow will be kind of moderate cold, although way below normal for this time of year, perhaps touching 30 or 32 degrees in portions of the I-95 corridor. Here's a band of snow out over the Ohio Valley come tomorrow morning. Let's now jump ahead to tomorrow evening. Well, here we go. By tomorrow evening, pretty widespread area of light precipitation, but all in the form of snow. And this is associated with that strong upper level wave of energy that takes on a somewhat of a negative tilt to it, moves in by late in the afternoon or perhaps holding off until the early evening hours up and down the I-95 corridor. Again, there can be a heavier snow squall or two embedded within this pattern, which could cause a quick coating to an inch or so and some slick spots quickly on the roadways late tomorrow and early tomorrow night. Well, finally, here's the surface forecast map for Thursday morning. By this time, still a lingering snow shower, especially possible across the New York City region. Winds start kicking up. Brutally cold air moves into the I-95 corridor. Early morning lows most likely in the single digits up and down the I-95 corridor. Struggling to reach the teens on Thursday afternoon, and then extreme cold overnight Thursday night into Friday morning. Most likely sub-zero conditions up and down the I-95 corridor come Friday morning. Possible record-breaking territory. That extreme cold continues throughout the day on Friday, and Saturday morning will be another brutally cold morning with single digits, perhaps even sub-zero temperatures in portions of the I-95 corridor. Then by late Saturday, the threat for snow returns, and as we progress through the weekend, temperatures increase to the point where we could have some freezing rain, ice, perhaps even plain rain later in the weekend, but more on that as we get through this next incredible cold shot coming for Thursday and Friday and into Saturday as well. That's it for now. For VencoreWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.